Hey guys, we are at Universal Orlando's Aventura Hotel. This is a 2-queen bedroom. It's actually one of the mid-level hotels at Universal, and it's actually a great value. You've got the closet space, plenty of hanging space there. We just got in, so excuse the luggage cart. Bathroom has great amount of space, shower tub combo, and there is a sliding door to separate that from the sink area. And of course there was extra storage for the sink, which I personally always like. Of course you've got the coffee maker and ice container, mini fridge. I like that there was some extra storage here with the safe. I definitely did utilize that. The desk is a desk dresser combo, and I did of course unpack. Once I finished with the video, we literally just got in. I wanted to do a quick video. The 2-queen beds were actually pretty comfy for mid-level. I like the partition between the bathroom. You did get a little bit more privacy. We were on the 3rd floor and overlooking Cabana Bay, which you can kind of see here. This is a standard room, so this is the quote-unquote cheapest option at Aventura, but a great value for staying at Universal Orlando Resort.